The lemon, with its bright yellow color and sour flavor, is a fruit that has a wide range of applications and has been used for a variety of purposes in the kitchen as well as in the medical field for millennia. Drinking water with lemon in it is one of these applications that has become increasingly common in recent years. People believe that drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning can provide them with a variety of health and cosmetic benefits, so a lot of them do it. In this video, we will investigate what takes place inside of your body when you make drinking water with lemon a regular part of your routine. Enhanced digestive and bowel health. It is common knowledge that having a properly functioning digestive system is essential to maintaining overall good health. Lemons are one of the best sources of the pectin fiber that is necessary for protecting and preserving the health of the colon. Your digestive tract gets a mild jumpstart in the morning when you start your day with a glass of warm water with lemon, which functions as a digestive aid. It encourages regular bowel movements and general digestive wellness by reminding your body to get rid of the waste that is accumulated from the previous day. Rehydration as well as mineral reconciliation. In the days when energy drinks, rehydration salts, and glucose electrolyte solutions were easily accessible, drinking water with lemon was widely thought to be among the most efficient ways to relieve dehydration. When we perspire, we lose essential minerals such as salt, potassium, and chloride from our bodies. When we exercise, we flush these minerals out of our bodies. You may rehydrate yourself by drinking plain water. However, if you add a few slices of lemon to your water, you can speed up the process of rebalancing these minerals in your body, which will help you recover from dehydration more quickly. You can rehydrate yourself by drinking plain water. However, you can speed up the process of rebalancing these minerals in your body by adding a few slices of lemon to your water. Enhanced visual acuity. We have all heard that eating carrots is beneficial for our eyes, but did you know that lemons can also play a role in ensuring that our vision stays healthy? Lemons are an excellent source of both vitamin C and antioxidants, two components of an effective defense mechanism against eye diseases such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Including lemon water as part of your regular practice may help you keep your eyesight in good condition as you become older. Healthier skin. Drinking a lot of water is typically recommended as one of the best ways to achieve a glowing complexion, since proper hydration is essential for healthy skin. You will feel a little perkier if you add some lemon to your water first thing in the morning. Lemons contain a high concentration of potent antioxidants, which can help minimize the appearance of wrinkles and blemishes, resulting in skin that is more radiant and smooth. In addition, the lemon water's cleansing characteristics can assist in the removal of toxins and other impurities from the skin. Wellness of the liver. Because the liver plays such a crucial role in the process of detoxifying the body, it is imperative that you take proper care of your liver if you want to maintain good overall health. Consuming water with lemon can assist in the maintenance of a healthy liver in a number of different ways. Two of these methods are by enhancing the function of enzymes and promoting the removal of unwanted germs and toxins. In addition, lemons have a high quantity of potassium, which is an essential component that helps the body's organs, including the heart, brain, kidneys, and muscles, function properly. Enhancement of the immune system. Lemons are well known for the high levels of vitamin C that they contain. Vitamin C is a powerful immune system booster that can protect against viral infections and immune system deficiencies. People who drink lemon water as part of their regular routine are likely to have fewer cases of the common cold and other ailments. Lemon water's immune-enhancing characteristics can assist your body in warding off infections and maintaining an overall healthier state, all of which are benefits of drinking lemon water. Positive effects on reducing inflammation. There is a correlation between long-term inflammation in the body and a number of major disorders. The presence of excessive acidity in the body can be a factor in the development of inflammation. Drinking water with lemon in it can help reduce the acidity levels in your body, which in turn assists in the removal of toxic uric acid, which can cause inflammation. It is possible that drinking water with lemon can help prevent chronic diseases by lowering inflammation. pH balance. Lemons have a naturally acidic pH, but after being taken into the bloodstream, their alkalizing properties become apparent in the tissues of the body. Because excessive acidity can lead to health problems such as high cholesterol and diabetes, It is essential to keep the pH level in the body at a balanced level in order to prevent these conditions. Drinking water with lemon in it can help maintain the pH levels in your body in check, which is beneficial to your health as a whole. Increase in metabolic rate. Lemon water can be a beneficial companion for people who want to lose weight in a natural way and make positive adjustments to both their food and their lifestyle. Pectin fiber, which is found in lemons, has been shown to speed up the metabolism and minimize feelings of hunger. The consumption of lemon water may facilitate the accomplishment of weight loss objectives by increasing the sensation of fullness and the rate of calorie expenditure. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be back with more health and wellness tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Thanks for watching.